Hello, welcome to the ACT logarithm problems explanation. So first off, we are evaluating log base 3 of 27. In other words, we are wondering 3 to the x, so I bring the base down here, is 27. So 3 to what power is 27? Well, 3 cubed is 27. So the first one is x is 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 9 times 3, which is 27. The next one says, if log base x of 49 is 2, what is x? In other words, this becomes my base. 49 is what value squared? Well, 49 is 7 squared. So x is 7. The third one says, if log base 4 of x is 2, what is the square root of x? So 4 squared is x. That means the square root of x is 4. Now I just skipped the step of saying 4 squared is 16 and square rooting it to get 4. If you know that a square root undoes a square, you can skip a little step there. So the answer is the square root of x is 4. Right, number 4 asks, what value of x satisfies log base x of 64 is 2? So I'll rewrite this as 64 equals x squared, because this becomes my base. Well, 64 is 8 squared, so x is 8. The next one, number 5, says, if log base 2 of 64 is x, what is x? 2 becomes my base. 64 equals 2 to the x. So let's see, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32, times 2 is 64. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 2's. 6 2's. That means x is 6, because 2 to the 6th power is 64. Number 6 I crossed out because I realized it was the same as number 4. Okay, challenge problem. So this is where we need the rules of logarithms. And rules of logarithms state that log base a of b minus log base a of c equals log base a of b divided by c. That is because of the rules of exponents. It's because whenever we divided terms, you might remember, we subtracted the exponents. So that's where this comes from. Now, log base 2 of 24. That's saying 2 to what power is 24? And log base 2 of 3. 2 to what power is 3? Well, that's very difficult. I don't know what 2 to what power is 24. What I do know is this is the same thing since they have the same base. Log base 2 of 24 divided by 3 is the same thing. Okay, well 24 divided by 3 is 8. Log base 2 of 8. Log base 2 of 8. We should know that that is 3, because 2 cubed is 8. So 3 equals log base x of 27. That means x cubed, I bring my base over there, x cubed is 27. Okay, x cubed is 27. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. 3 cubed is 27. That means x is 3.